Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. This week, I want to talk about Azure Bastion. This is an often overlooked tool in the MSP community, mostly because we actually use our own tools for this stuff. Predominantly, you would use like a Screen Connect or an RMM agent installed on systems to manage that. But occasionally, you'll be in an environment that maybe you don't have your own automation tools, or maybe you're working on shutting down that platform and you want to use something a little bit more native. So enter Azure Bastion. Essentially, what this is going to do is create almost an isolated network, a whole other VNet and subnet to which a jump box or an authentication based machine will exist. You will then use that and authenticate with AD credentials, Entra ID credentials, to kind of get a direct access into the environment. So this is great for security posturing reasons, right? You don't have to worry about VPNs, site-to-site VPNs, or even heaven forbid, opening up 3389 to the internet. Now, the biggest problem I have with this, quite honestly, is while the product is fantastic, it's a little expensive, right? On average, you'll be about 120 to 150 Canadian a month. So you're more likely to leverage your existing tool set. However, when you're maybe working with a third-party organization, bringing in like a software vendor or something to work on a product, instead of having to install their tools and their agents, you can kind of spin up a Bastion environment, provide them access and credentials, and then kill it out when you're done. The advantages of doing this is everything runs audited and secured through Microsoft's environment. And then when you're done, you're less likely to forget it's there. I'm going to say less likely, hopefully, because of the ongoing costs and expenses. So if you get an option, take a look. I know our project team here at PAX 8 tends to use it for secured access, and then we're able to clean it up on the way out. It leaves a perfectly secured audit trail and is really the preferred method to hop into an environment without having to key up either point-to-site or site-to-site tunnels. So I'll link an article. Take a look. Catch you next time.